Okay, we're going to do a quick intro video on the NSK Multipad. Now the multipad here is part of the Dentalone system, but we do use the same multipad and we can integrate it into the chairs. So you'll be able to see on the screen there an example of how we've mounted the multipad onto the screen and used all of the integrated controls inside the chair. So if you've got a basic chair, we can put all the smarts into the chair. In this case though, we're gonna focus on the multipad and all the functions which are identical in either case. So if we have it connected in the chair, the ideal way to do it is with the auto switching setup. If we've got a scaler and a motor, so that means we can switch between the scaler and the motor using the configuration of the chair. So what we're going to do here, we'll start with the motor. So we pick up the motor and you can see there that we're in program 8. Gear ratio is 1:5. So we can go through all of our different program modes in there by choosing the select button here. Every time we hit the select button, it highlights a little cursor. Then we hit it again and it goes out. So we're in gear ratio there now, and then we move across one. We go into program. So we've got 8 different programs. So we want to go to program 2, but we want program 2 to have a different gear ratio here, say a 1:1 speed handpiece. We hit select, program 2, hit enter and save. We hear it beep, and we're good to go. So we're in program 2, our speed is displayed at the top there. And you'll notice we go from 40,000 RPM all the way down to 1,000. So that's our speed range on the motor. So that means that our motor is spinning at that revolution 1:1. Now what happens if we put a 1:5 speed increasing in there? Our minimum speed is 5,000. That's 1,000 times 5 is 5,000. If we're using a speed reduction, it works in the opposite. So we're going, let's say a 4:1 reduction, our 1,000 becomes 250 RPM at the burr. So again, we can choose our settings. We keep pushing until all the cursors are not flashing. We hit enter save. That's our new preset. So again, anything we want to do, we move around, different program, and now we're into program 1. So quite self-explanatory there. We've got forward and reverse on here. And we've got mode functions. The mode function, if we hold down and we were in an endo function motor, which would mean this would be an NLX plus, then it brings into a heap of endo functions that we won't worry about with this one. Setup menu we don't really need to go over right now. The Varios scaler, if we pick that up, you'll see that the auto select has now brought up the scaler. We've got endo mode, perio mode, and general mode. So what you'll do is you'll refer to your tip guide to work out which tip you're using, and then we set our power setting to whichever power setting is recommended for that tip. So that's a fairly basic operation there. So look, that's a bit of an overview on how to get started pretty quickly with your NSK Multipad.